Hey guys, namaskar and bonjour, and as I mentioned in the last video, here is the video which will show you exactly which link you have to click to pay the income tax in France. So watch it carefully. The link will be in the description, but the details are here. What details you have to fill, exactly where you have to put the amount to show for income tax, even if you are not working, even if the income is zero. So let's start. As you can see, I have mentioned here form 2042. So you just click, and this is the government website for paying income tax. To get all the forms, you click over here, and the first one, declaration the revenue, you click here and you get a form. Okay, so this is a declaration for 2020 income tax. So the first is, it is asking, vous déposez une déclaration pour la première fois. That means it says that you are declaring the income tax for the first time. So you have to make a cross here. This is not for the people who are filling the form for the first time. Now, basic details, madam, monsieur, madam, male, female, nom de naissance, that means your last name. My last name is Jha, so I will write JHA. Prénom is the first name, that's Madhvi for me, your birth date, your birth address, and your address, your number, your telephone number, and your email address should be here. Address as of 1st January 2021. What was your address in France? You have to put all these details, your address, number of the rue where you are staying, the code postal, the community. For example, for me, it is Rony-sous-Bois, apartment number, which floor, which building, and then here for me it is colocataire because I stay in colocation, so I have to put this. This is for people who have changed address during this year, during 2020. You have to mention the address, you have to put all the details of the address of 2020, and if you have changed your address in 2021, so you have to put that also here. It is the same details, address, actual code postal, commune, your area, building number, floor number, etc. Another part here is contribution à l'audiovisuel public. That means you have a television in your house. If you have that, you have to mention it here. But normally we don't have, so we will make a cross here in this box. And then you put the location where you are. For example, for me, it is Rony-sous-Bois, so I'll put Rony-sous-Bois, and le is the date, so you put the date. Okay, and you sign here. And we go to the second page. Now, so this is for our status, if we are single, if we are married, if we have kids, etc. So, marié, that means married. Célibataire, that means you're single. So you have to cross the boxes accordingly. If you're married, then you have to provide the details here. And that's it. If you have kids, you have to provide the kids' details, and then you don't do anything here. That's it. If you are single, you just make a cross here, and that's it. You don't do anything here. We just have to move to the another page. This is the important page because here you will mention exactly how much amount you have to show it here. You have to put it here. Which amount, what amount we show it here, I'll let you know in a bit. And where we put it, we put it here in the traitement et salaire here. Okay, so we put it here. The question arises, what amount you will put here? Like, how do you know which one you have to put what amount? So basically, if you're not working, you just put 0. But if you're working somewhere, even if part-time, the last month salary slip has a total accumulated amount, and it mentions in the bottom right page of your salary slip, and there is an exact amount which you have to put here. Okay, and it's written as Net Fiscal or Net Imposable or Salaire imposable. So the words which you have to find at the bottom right is Net Fiscal, Net Imposable ou Salaire imposable. These are the 3 words it is mentioned, and whatever the amount is written there, you just put it here. That's it. It's very easy and very fast process. And that's all you have to do on the 3rd page. Now we go to the 4th page and you don't do anything here. You just move on. This page, it asks you to submit documents for the first time filling along with this form as well. This form is of 6 pages. So what it says here, si vous êtes locataire ou colocataire, if you're staying as in a co-location like me, you have to send a copy of the contract of your house. You have to check it accordingly if you're staying in a hotel or if you're staying at someone's house and it is free or domicile, etc. So you have to submit the documents accordingly. For example, in my case, I had to submit the attestation d'hébergement, the domicile letter, and the ID proof of my proprietaire, you can say, okay, the house owner. And that's it. You don't have to write all this. And you move on to the last page. So this is basically your attestation of the place where you stay, residential details, your name, your address, since when you are here, or if you have changed from when till when, the place name, the date, and the signature year. Once you are done filling this form, take a printout. Next you have to do is you have to submit 3 documents because we are doing this process for the first time. If you have a domicile letter, you send that. If you have a contract, you have to send that. Second, you have to send your pièce d'identité, your identity proof. It can be your carte de séjour, your titre de séjour, your visa, récépissé, etc. And third is your bank account number, RIB. Very simple process, very easy, and send it to your area's income tax department. Okay, you have to search it and send it accordingly. That's the form filling is done. It's very simple and easy. If you have more questions, you can go through the link which is just here. You just type the impogovernment.fr and you will find all the details there as well. And you can definitely comment below if you have any questions on this. Until next time, take care and have a good time. Bye bye and ciao.